Good day everyone, my name is Wilma Imansano and today I'm going to discuss our business proposal named A Plus TruckNet. We serve the best quality you deserve. The A Plus TruckNet stands for Agriculture and Auto Machinery Net, an online reservation for those in need of trucks and delivering harvested product to the town, and also it is an online shop for agricultural needs like machinery, equipment, tools, and etc. By providing a platform like this, the connection of buyers and seller within one community will be easy and fast in transactioning, because many of our parents' occupation or subsistence is through farming, crops, or corns. Most of the time, the common problem is transporting harvested, especially when you are far away in the town and seek a available vehicle to talk personally the owner to confirm they are delivering your harvested crops or corns to the town, and seek again a buyer who have a high price to sell your goods. Another problem I observe is going to the town or mall to buy equipment, pesticides, and any other materials needed in farming. The main objective of our business is to provide all the needs of individuals, most especially all the agriculturists. And lastly is to provide advanced and fastest reservation in terms of tracking. Our location is in the forest region at Benito Sullivan, where many residents' occupation here is through farming. This is our location we choose because customers no need to go in the store and consume a lot of time, spend a lot of money to buy equipment in Kawayan. So this is our organizational chart. We have Chief Executive Officers or the CEO, Wilma E. Manzano speaking. Next is Chief Finance Officers, Michelle A. Dasalia. Of course, we have Chief of Management Division, Mr. Dave Ramos. And lastly, the Chief of Technical Officers, Ms. Gemma Lea de la Rosa. That's all.